Hey guys, what's up? In this step-by-step tutorial I will show you really quickly how to download and install the Brave browser on your computer, for example on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So head over to any browser you use, like for example Google Chrome, and type in the search here Brave browser. Select that entry here on Google search Brave browser download, and on the next page click on that button here to download Brave on your computer. As you can see, the Brave browser can be used on several operating systems like Windows for instance or Mac OS. Wait for the download to be finished, and once that's done, head over to your output folder on your computer and launch the installation. Your computer will start downloading the Brave browser from the internet, so make sure you're connected to the internet and that you give permission to download Brave from the computer. And the download as well as the installation process shouldn't last longer than, I don't know, up to a minute at most. And once the Brave browser has been installed, click on that button here to make Brave browser your default browser. Now as you can see, it's in Polish for me, but it will be exact the same button for you, just in English, or you skip that if you'd like to keep another browser as your default browser, like Google Chrome for instance. And lastly, decide whether you would like to import your browser settings from another browser, like from Google Chrome for example. You may skip that of course too. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.